Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become.
Namaskar viewers, today the quote we will discuss, the quote from Steve Jobs. The quote is, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. What it means is that one quality you must have if you want to live life as you want to live, that is courage. Imagine there is a student who just passed 12th. Their parents say you will do engineering, but his interest is in fashion designing. His heart says you are made for designing. Now what he needs? Courage, my friend. Then how much courage he required? A lot of courage is required. First, courage to go against their parents and follow his heart and intuition. Second, he is not 100% sure that what he is doing is good for him. Maybe he will not succeed. Then whose responsibility for his failure? If you want to take responsibility of your failure, what needs responsibility? Courage, my friend, courage. Very few people have the courage to do what they want to do, not what other people doing. Courage to go against their parents' thinking and the world's thinking. Courage to take the decision. Courage to take action. Courage to take responsibility of yourself and your family. Courage to stick with their decision when the situation is going burst. Courage to take responsibility for their failure. Courage to face life's problems. Courage to take risks. Courage to follow your heart and intuition, your inner voice. Well, now what you are made for. You just discover your inner voice and do what you really want to do. What is more important than doing what you really want to do? Nothing is more important than that. It is your life. If you don't live what life you want to live, then what meaning of living life? In life, your own happiness is most important than everything. Everything else is secondary. Don't let other people's opinion down on your inner voice. Live your life with your thinking and opinion.